My Cruiser has been off the road since November, which is 6 months ago. I took the Diff out before I went to Australia, and I was like, kind of need that money, so I didn't get it refurbed, but I picked it up from West Coast last week, and I've got new tyres, which I also picked up in November, but since there's been no Diff, I haven't used them, so I'm quite excited to have the fancy wheels and now fancy tyres. It's like the nicest part of the car, apart from the lovely bumpers. I took the Diff out myself, but I've got my friend Calvin coming to supervise me putting it back in because it's nice and new now, and I don't want to fuck it up. So he's gonna come boss me around, tell me what to do, make sure I don't fuck anything up more. Because when I took it out, I actually took part of my rear brakes off and snapped a bolt, and it turns out I didn't even need to do that to get the half shell out to get the Diff off. So I made myself an extra job, which is lovely. So if I can avoid doing that with the new stuff, then that would be wonderful. So yeah. Here's my lovely shiny new Diff. It's such a weird, like, oh, I'm just gonna put my Diff back in.